Hello YouTube. Today I'm gonna show everybody how to put the ringtone for iPhone, any iPhone, on the OS 10.1.1. And now let's start. Okay, now we have to connect to the Wi-Fi, and then go to the App Store. To that, then click on search now. You need to type garage. Okay, you can see on the top garage band, and click on it, and then scroll down to looking for, okay, this one, and you just click download, and I already downloaded, and now I open up. Okay, here we go, like, okay. The first thing we need to do is to click on this and scroll to find, okay, this audio recorder, and tap on it. As you can see, like this, and then you're gonna click on here. Yes, okay. Now you see, and click on the button. Okay, and click on the music and your song on iTunes. Select it. Here MP3 on the iTunes. Now I have one song only, and I click on it and tap and hold down and put right here. Don't release, just put it and then release. Okay, now it importing the music. So okay, you can cut anywhere like you want the audio. Okay, and you play.
Hey.
Like this. Try to put it back.
Hey. Stay. Bye.
Okay, now we're gonna use after that you can click on here,
Hey.
the
Stay.
bottom,
Bye.
and you can see, oh sorry, you tap on it,
Hey. Stay. Bye.
and then okay, so now it starts showing. So the next step, we have to select it, tap on the music like we make at the moment, this okay. So to click on it, type your name like you want, any okay, so ringtone. I type my ringtone. T-O-N. Okay. Click on done. Okay. Select it. Like you see the blue around here. Yes, it means we select the music for make the ringtone. So we select on it and then tap on here. Okay, now you can see here, and you're gonna click on the ringtone. Okay, so here, and we export. Okay, and click on OK, and done. Okay, now let's to see the ringtone that we make already. So check out. Okay, you go to setting and scroll down to sound and tap on ringtone. Okay, here. Now before I make the ringtone, the name is my ringtone. You see, as you can see, the up one, the top one. Okay, you click on it. Okay, so
Ê,
it's done now.
ngồi lại.
Okay, okay, thank you for your watching.